From Kitty Mo to Uncle Remo, make sure you stop and say hello, then off we go. Summer on Blue Hill. Haere tonu ki atareta, mihi ki ngā kaupapa katoa. Summer on Blue Hill. Mauri o Tuperiri, noho ahi ka tukota i tātou. Summer on Blue Hill. Kia ora, whare ora, te puna reo o kahukuranga moko puna. Summer on Blue Hill. Up to Cooper Street, Dairy, Evans, Golden Swallow, all the feeds, just you and me. Summer on Blue Hill. Cross the street to Ōrākei, Waite mata moana tu waka ama. Summer on Blue Hill. Mauri o Tuperiri, noho ahi ka tukota i tātou. Summer on Blue Hill. Taka para whau whenua, o ka hura kauranga tira kai tiakitanga. Summer on Blue Hill. Tumaira, mamaua, come back to tumu whenua whātua. Summer on Blue Hill. Mauri o Tuperiri, noho ahi ka tukota i tātou. Summer on Blue Hill.
Summer on Blue Hill.
Summer on Blue Hill.
Summer on Blue Hill.
Summer on Blue Hill. Ka pai, kia ora e te whānau. What a banger that song was. If you didn't know that whātua is called Summer on Boot Hill. That was our Christmas jingle last year, and we're about to bring it back this year for Rehekō Raumati. Woo! Ko atakura hunia tōku ingoa. I'm one of the collective impact kaiarahi here at Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei Whaimaia, and I am here to talk to you guys about Rehekō Raumati. So let's go and get into it. Yo. So it's whānau, comment where you're watching from. We'd love to know where everyone is, and we'd love for you to ask some questions or anything you want to know about Rehekō Raumati. I'm going to run through the kaupapa, explain a little bit more of what it is, where you can apply, and when it is all going down this Raumati e te whānau. Firstly, hope you fellas are all good in your kāinga. It's a beautiful day here on our whenua rangatira at Ōrākei. Beautiful, beautiful Friday. Perfect way to end the week. So without further ado, keep your questions coming into whānau, and we'll pop them up as I have a kōrero to you fellas for this next 20 or so minutes. Ka pai. So, Rehekō Raumati. It means let's go summer, because summer is around the corner and we are on. Oh, we've got whānau joining in from Ngāti Wahia. Mihi atu ana i te whānau. Kia ora, kia ora. Rehekō Raumati, we are on for this summer, and we've had a hard year this year with COVID-19 and all of these lockdowns, heaps of different things that made this year a little bit harder. So what we decided to do here at Whaimaia is to celebrate all of our whānau's efforts, puta noa I Aotearoa. And we just want to thank you guys and celebrate you guys by way of tuku taonga, tuku oha, just spreading some love this summer, because you know what? Man, it's been a long year, Te whānau. And you guys have been awesome this year. So we want to celebrate you all and we can't thank you enough. What we've decided to do is split this kaupapa into two wahanga. So we've got a kaupapa for those in Tāmaki Makaurau and then those outside of Tāmaki Makaurau, ka pai. So what this looks like is a bit of a Christmas drop. That's what it is, Te whānau. It is a Christmas drop happening over 2 weeks in December, starting on the second week of December from the 6th to the 10th of December. That's our first week of Christmas drops. So for inside Tāmaki, what that looks like is a huge, one moment, bit of a kai distribution out to our whānau in Tāmaki, to your front doorstep. So we will be coming along on our, Santa sleighs, which are probably going to be vans and trucks full of your uncles, your nephews, your cousins, pretty much bringing around heaps and heaps of kai and some hygiene stuff to help you all. Bit of spray, bit of wipes. Let me go through it, Okay, let's just do it. We've got some crackers, some nurara, some coconut cream. We know where this is heading. Bit of salt, some Milo, heaps of cupboard fillers at Te whānau, but also, your go-to, your prahe niho, bit of toothpaste and toothbrush. We've got some dishwashing liquid here for all the dishes we're going to rack up this summer. But I hope because, you've got to have a wash this summer, whānau. Let's keep clean. Bit of washing powder for our kākahu, because we all know we're going to have heaps of whānau over this Christmas. We want to make sure you are all geared up. So this is going to be a part of the first week or the second week of December Christmas drop for our whānau in Tāmaki Makaurau. Now, obviously, Te whānau, we can't deliver these to everyone. As much as we'd love to, we just can't. It is so hard trying to deliver stuff, and we don't want anyone to miss out this summer. So for those living outside of Tāmaki Makaurau, our whānau, in the likes of Ngā Ruawahia and Ōrākei, Rotorua, Kihia rānei, and we're going to be sending you a bit of a oha to your bank account in lieu of this pack that Tāmaki Makaurau will get. So we are hoping that you can use that to buy things like kai, to buy things like your hygiene stuff to help you over the summer period. So just repeating that, Tāmaki Makaurau will get a kai pack, but a hygiene pack, and out of Tāmaki will get a oha in lieu of the kai pack. If you have any questions, keep them coming and I'll be happy to answer those for you. Woo! That was a workout. What else is in Santa's? Hana koko. I'm going to call me Ata Koko, because my name is Atakura. Oh, hell. So what else we're going to be giving as well to our whānau with tamariki. Kia ora e hoa. To our tamariki in our whānau households, we're going to be sending them a bit of education packs. Now these were in he koha ene mai te taumata kōrero, so big shout out to taumata kōrero for hooking it up. Got some puka puka to pānui over the Christmas period, etahi puka puka tuhi tuhi, hopefully you fellas can see, yes, tuhi tuhi, etahi pene karakara, he pene rākau, all of that good stuff, and although kura is pretty much wrapping up with te whānau, it's good to keep, exercising our roro this raumati, keeping us sharp for next year, because next year we are on and we are going to get all of those A pluses and excellence marks, all of that, my cousins. That is us. So we've got packs for all age groups, for kohangare o, ECE, through to primary, through to secondary, katoa era. So we've got all of these goodies here that we will be delivering to your front doorstep if you are in Tāmaki Makaurau. Look at that. I used to love these books. Pipi Pangarau. Just a little insight to whānau. I used to think I was the best at counting. No way. Oh my gosh. And then it started getting 3 digits and kwa he ngara. That's all right. That's why we have calculators. No, harai nei kōrero. So te whānau, we're jam-packed. And I know I've been rushing this, but I just had to get that out of my system. And now we're going to take it right back to what is even happening this summer. Rehekō Raumati. Let's go summer. Celebrating our whānau efforts this year, given the lockdowns, given all the struggles that whānau have had to face, we want to celebrate you, your efforts and how hard you've worked and how resilient you have been this year by way of tuku taonga, tuku oha, tuku kai to last us over the holiday period. So this kaupapa has been split between us living in Tāmaki and then our whānau that live outside of Tāmaki. So for our whānau that are living outside of Tāmaki, it's super hard to get stuff delivered to you fellas. So what we've thought instead is that we're going to send you a oha, and hopefully that's going to that can support you to buy these things, or things like kai, like hygiene packs, and like little taonga over the Christmas period. So we will definitely be getting those out to you fellas. For us in Tāmaki, we're getting all hands on deck. We're going to be delivering kai, hygiene packs, taonga, education packs to your front doorstep. And what we need you to do is apply for Rehekō Raumati. You can find the link on our Facebook page, on our iwi website, right here. If you go to the whānau support page, there's Rehekō Raumati, and you can just apply there. All the information is there if you are in Tāmaki. If you're not in Tāmaki, you can click to apply, and then it takes you to our application form e te whānau. Easy as that, kei reira katoa ngā kōrero, all the important information. It's all on our website, so head on over to our website, www.ngātiwhātuaōrākei.com. under whānau support. You can search up whānau support and you can find it right there. Send through your pātai to whānau. I'm here to answer them all for you fellas, so everyone knows what's happening this holiday. You don't want to miss out e te whānau. It is so awesome. Oh, awesome, no pātai yet. Okay, let me just keep going. So, bit of dates for everyone so you can plan your kirihi mete. We are looking at the first drop. First drop for everyone, katoa, Aotearoa wide, will be a oha to your bank account, and that is to support you to buy kai, taonga, hygiene packs, little knickknacks here and there for your whare. So everyone, all of our registered whānau, all your households, if you apply, you will get an oha on the second week of December, and that's from the 6th to the 10th. So go and apply there, and we get an oha to you for that second week, and that's what we're calling drop one. Ka pai? Drop one is oha. Say it with me now. Drop one is oha. Drop one is oha. So everyone gets a oha. E te whānau, you guys are just too nice. Oh my gosh. This is neat, that's pulling up the comments thing. Oh, but you distract me. I know I'm already distracted all the time. Fine. So that's drop one, oha. Drop two, which is in week 3 of December, 13th to the 17th. That is going to be a kai pack. Oh, hygiene packs, education packs, and taonga for Tāmaki Makaurau. Once again, that is hygiene, kai, education's coming. Oh. Education and a bit of taonga for Tāmaki Makaurau to your front doorstep. And then for outside of Tāmaki, again, it is a oha in lieu of all of this that Tāmaki will get. So we will give you the oha instead, so you can go buy this for your whare and your whānau. Ka pai? Once again, week 3 December, 13th to the 17th for Tāmaki Makaurau will be the physical kai pack, hygiene, education, me ngā taonga to your front doorstep. Those will be delivered, and outside of Tāmaki you will get a oha instead, so you can buy that stuff for your whānau. It's going to be so awesome e te whānau. I really encourage you all to apply, and we want you all to have an awesome holiday and an awesome summer with your whānau and your tamariki. So please head on over to our website to apply, or you can scroll down our Facebook page and kei reira katoa ngā kōrero. Any questions you have too, it's got them all there. FAQs. Yeah. Oh, ka pai, he pātai, can exes non-whānau who have the kids full-time apply? Yeah, ka pai te whānau. So if you are in care of our tamariki, please apply. As long as they are in your care and they are our uri from Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei, you're more than welcome to apply. And we understand that not all of our cousins will be living with their matua. Some will be living with their aunties, with their nans, with their cousins. So if you are in care of our tamariki or our whānau, please do apply. Yes. Ka pai. Thank you. That's awesome pātai. We don't want any of our whānau to miss out. It's whānau. So if you have any questions about who can apply, how do I apply, when can I apply, please send them through. Big thing to note is that registration or applications close next Friday, ka pai. That's next Friday, the 3rd of December. So make sure you get in quick. You've got one more week, iti whānau. We've already received over 900 applications so far, so we are chugging through them, processing them as fast as we can to make sure we are on time, ready for this holiday period. But if you haven't applied yet, you've got plenty of time. So kia tere mai te whānau, would love to have you on in this kaupapa. It is all about giving because we understand that everyone has worked so hard this year. Ka pai. I think we have a bit of a pātai. Will hana koko be dropping in on our whānau kei tā wāhi? Oh, so hana koko actually can't get past the borders at te whānau. So hana koko has to stay in Aotearoa for this year, and I'm so sorry. Yeah, hana koko got his passport, I think, and he can't go overseas to our whānau in tā wāhi. But for our whānau here in Aotearoa, our Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei whānau, register mai, apply. We'd love to get this out to you to support you during these holidays. Once again, week 2 December, what did we say? Drop 1 is oha. Drop 2 is all the other stuff. All right. Any other pātai? Who can apply? Kia ora, Laurie, Henry, I tēnā pātai. So who can apply is all of our registered whānau households from Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei, whether you are a parent from Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei or you are caring of a tamaiti who is of Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei descent, you can apply for this. This is for our whānau, so it is a Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei kaupapa, but that doesn't mean that if you are not Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei, but you are looking after our cousins, our tamariki, our whānau, that you can still apply too. As long as they are in your whare and as long as you are in care of our Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei whānau, please apply. Woo, man, on fire. How am I doing it, whānau? Doing all right? Hope I'm answering everything. Oh, I hope te ho. That's what I forgot to do this holidays. It's go kore tinana. So I'm hoping you fellas done that for us anyway. Come on. Yes, so once again, it's whānau. Week 2 of December from the 6th to the 10th, everyone will be getting a oha to your bank account. That is to support with the build up to the holiday season. And then week 3, which is drop 2 from the 13th to the 17th, is when tāmaki will get the kai packs, the hygiene packs, the education, e tahi taonga, and then out of tāmaki will be getting another oha in lieu of all of the packs that tāmaki will get delivered. And that's purely because e te whānau, it is taking way too long to deliver these to you fellas, and we don't want anyone to miss out this holiday season. So we want to get it to you in the most efficient way we can, and that is straight to your pūkoro, so you can go out and you can do your hoko, all of that. Yeah, well, I think that is, we're getting there, te whānau. Send through your questions. Don't forget you can apply on our website, ngātiwhātuaorake.com. It's got all the questions there, all the FAQs if you have any pātai, all on the Facebook page as well. One problem that has been coming up with whānau trying to apply on your cell phones. So if you are applying on your cell phone and it is a bit hard to upload some documents, please go see your whanaunga who has a laptop. Go over to their whare and say, hey, can I just use Ōrākei for a little bit, please? Apply on the laptop. It's much better on the Ōrākei. Yeah, that's all I could say, really. If you have access to a laptop, please use that. We'd recommend doing that. Another big thing for applying as well, e te whānau, is please make sure that all the details you put in are correct, especially like your whare noho, so your address, how many people are in your whare, because that does help us create this for you fellas. So we need to make sure that all the addresses are right, so we know where to go. We don't want hana koko to get lost, te whānau. So send through your correct addresses so we can make sure that hana koko arrives safely and on time to your whare. Yes, that's a big one. List all the whānau members in your whare, regardless if they are registered or unregistered. As long as we've got some whānau in that whare, please list everyone down. We don't want anyone to miss out this holidays. What else? Kia ora te whānau, ngā mihi. Jeez, these are nice. Kaua e whakamā te whānau, that's what I need to say. Kaua e whakamā. Everyone has had a hard year te whānau, regardless if you are in mahi, out of mahi, you've got a big whānau, little whānau. We know everyone has struggled a little bit this year. So please don't be whakamā to apply for this. What we've tried to do is change the whole messaging of this kaupapa to encourage more whānau to apply, because we want to thank you and we want to celebrate you. You don't need to be struggling to get some support from us. We just want you to know that we are here and we want to get out to you fellas. So please do apply. Rehekō Raumati, let's go summer. And we want everyone to have an awesome summer with all of their whānau. And if we can support somehow, we would love to do that for you all. So it's whānau, apply. We've got kai, we've got hygiene, we've got education, we've got taonga, we've got oha ready to send to you fellas. We are working hard, getting those processed so we make it in time. But we want you all to apply. And if you have any pārtai, send them through here. Or if you do miss out, message our Facebook page, email us at whaimaia@nwo.iwi.nz. We will get to you as fast as we can. Last important kōrero, we'll just go over it again. Applications will close next Friday on the 3rd of December. So we've got one more week to get in its whānau. Over 900 applications have been made so far. So if we can double it, let's double it, it's whānau. Why not? So get applying. Please remember you must be a registered member of Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei or be in the care of a registered member of Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei. This is happening from week 2 of December to week 3 of December, which is from the 6th to the 10th and the 13th to the 17th. Reminder that week 2 or drop 1 is oha. Drop 1 is oha. And drop 2 is going to be the kaipaks, the hygiene, the education, and for out of tamaki it will be a oha again. Same again. One big thing in Te Whānau is we can only do one per household as well. So please make sure you collect up your whānau in your kāinga and say, yep, I'll apply for us. Make sure everyone's listed down so we can make sure everyone gets a bit of something in this Rehekō Raumati kaupapa. Make sure you list everyone. Make sure your all your details are correct for your address, your contact numbers, or your emails, so we can contact you if we need to. And I think let's just get ready for summer, eh, Te Whānau? Other than that, we are really, really excited to do this. We are ready to go. One more time, I'll just show you around what we have. We've got our education packs here. So make sure you list our tamariki. We want them to have some mahi to do over the summer so they don't get bored. Some more education there. And then here's our big boys. Our kai, hygiene. Yeah, look at that. Coconut cream. Number 1 for ikamata. Some washing powder, etahi Milo, nirara, cereal, katoa e rā, all of the stuff to fill your cupboards, it's whānau. And then we also have the oha coming your way. Mana ki tāna on point. Tēnā koe, ai hoa, te raukaua, mihi ana. Don't forget to apply. Come on, Rehekō Raumati e te whānau. Yeah, we are really excited e te whānau. Please apply. If you already have, ka pai tērā, you don't need to apply again. We got you. If you haven't applied yet though, we need you to apply before next Friday. We'll give maybe toru tekau hekona for any last pārtai anyone has. I'll answer those for you fellas. Otherwise, message our Facebook page, email us, and we will answer all of those pārtai for you. Woo! You can apply to whānau on the website, whānau support page. Scroll on down to Rehekō Raumati, kei reira ngā kōrero, ngā pārtai, the application link, katoa e rā. Facebook page, you can apply there as well. Easy as. Nō reira, is that our 30 seconds up? All right, I might be te whānau well. Love you and leave you. Summer on Boot Hill. If you haven't heard that yet, you can check it out on our Facebook page. Learn the kupu. We might make a bit of a challenge out of it. I don't know. But have a beautiful day, Te whānau. It was lovely talking to you all. It's a beautiful day. Go enjoy the sun. And Rehekō Raumati. Woo!